Hi everyone, I just wanted to explain this week's Pre-Chi-X assignment. So last week we started identifying different types of thought mistakes, and we're going to continue getting better at that during this week's assignment. The more we practice identifying and correcting thought mistakes, the better we'll get at actually doing it in our real day-to-day lives. So again, we're just going to be focusing on these 7 thought distortions. You all did a great job last week identifying them. So here's the first practice chart. So it's similar to last week's. So you have the thought on the left side, and then identify the thought distortion, explain the mistake in the thinking, and then replace that thought with a more helpful one. Okay. Next, you're going to watch a Road Trip Nation interview and practice identifying the thought mistake. So it's going to look like this. You're going to click on the link, and then you'll sign in using the instructions given, and then you're going to find this video right here. It's called Reacting to Failure. And then you'll answer these questions. What led him to feel stressed? What were his first reactions? Can you catch any thought mistakes? Did it result in fight, flight, or freeze? And then what were more helpful thoughts that he had later? Next, you're going to complete a thought record. So this is a good tool to help us reflect on our thinking and catch our thought mistakes. So you're going to think of a situation that's non-school related, that stressed you out, that you recently encountered, and pick a situation where you weren't happy with how you felt or reacted. And then you're going to go through and answer the questions. What were your first thoughts, your automatic thoughts about the situation when it happened or when it was happening? What did those thoughts lead you to feel and do? Was it fight, flight, or freeze? Did you recognize any thought distortions? And now that you're looking back on the situation that you're calmer, what are other ways you could think about the situation? And what might these new thoughts lead you to feel and do? All right, and I have my example right here. Okay, and the last part, part 4, is about finding a quote online that can inspire us to get back into a more positive mindset, especially when we start spiraling from our thought mistakes. So you can take a look at my example and my example of my quote, and then you're going to do the same down below. If you can complete the assignment by Wednesday, that would be great. I think most of you guys end up just completing it on Tuesday. Then I'll send you detailed comments and feedback back to you. If you have any corrections to make, please do so by Thursday, and I'll put a grade in for the week on Friday. Thank you so much. Bye.